guess what, guys? It's official. I've finally done it. Today I officially gave in my notice to ISL and I am going to be actually doing my jewelry full-time, which is something that I've dreamt about for a really long time, so I'm really excited about it. Can you tell? Basically, the idea that I'm buzzing about is moving to Belgium for a few reasons. Basically, Brexit, it sucks, so gonna leave for that reason. It's just so much easier sending things here and there and everywhere, and being part of Europe, being able to travel freely. Right, that's one big plus. Another reason that I want to go is because the rent is so much cheaper than our lovely London, and basically I would like to rent a house that has at least 2 bedrooms so that we can have a studio in the one and film more of my YouTube videos weekly and keep you guys updated with all of that, all things jewelry and a little bit of what's happening in my life, and then also run workshops from there. So obviously I'll start with beginner workshops and teach people how to make rings, earrings, necklaces, bangles, all kinds of things, and then obviously we can progress from there. And even hopefully further down the line, I'd also really actually like to rent a studio space, so like a bit of a bigger place, and do proper workshops there, and even potentially rent out the different spaces that aren't being used to other jewelers, maybe like having like a hot desk kind of vibe for some of them. So I'm super excited, and obviously there's going to be lots of plants, because who's got enough plants in their life, right? So obviously I'm going to need to start making an income from this that's a little bit more reliable than obviously me focusing on it part-time. So I am going to go and look for some shops to stock around Belgium and further afield, France, Germany and Netherlands. Obviously they're right on the doorstep. One of the joys about Belgium is it's tiny, so everything is around the corner, so that is awesome. So hopefully my designs will go down well with the market around there, because I think from my visits to Amsterdam I've seen quite a lot of like similar minimalist kind of Scandinavian design jewelry that seems to go down quite well, so fingers crossed. Hopefully they'll like my stuff, and yeah, whole new market. So let's see how it goes. One thing's for sure, I'm not gonna miss that. Obviously I gave my notice today, but I'm only actually going to leave in July. So I'm gonna complete the school year, and then we'll be packing everything up, trying to squeeze it into a van or two, and then driving over using the Eurotunnel. So at the moment I'm lucky enough to already stock a few galleries and shops around London, and I'm looking to expand that, as I mentioned before. So I was actually recently contacted by a lovely woman in Seattle who found my stuff online, and she's opening a Scandinavian inspired design shop in Seattle, which is super exciting. So I'm excited to be stocking her soon. So I'm just wrapping up an order for her with a bunch of things. So as you can see, my desk's a little bit of a mess because I've got a bunch of stuff out already that I'm still working on, and a few little bits and bobs that need to be finished, and then I will be ready to post that out. So it's a few days since I last spoke to you guys, and I've been really busy finishing up everything for the Seattle order, which is sitting right here in this massive big box. So it's loads of packaging and jewelry and all kinds of stuff in here for her. So I'm looking forward to posting that out soon. I had a whole bunch of paperwork to do that involved this order, because obviously shipping internationally is an entire different story. So yeah, got that all sorted out now. Yeah, and it's ready to go. If you have any ideas of things you would like me to cover in future videos, I would love to hear from you guys, because I'm always interested in covering different topics and, you know, making sure that I'm offering some value. All right, that's it for this week, guys. I know it was a really short one, but I was just buzzing about sharing my news with you. So I just thought I'd make a quick little video for you guys this week. But I'll be back every Sunday with a new video sharing tutorials and all kinds of other things jewelry related. So if you're interested in that, I would really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. It really helps me out. I'm still a new channel, like really new, so if you would like to support me on my journey, I would greatly appreciate that. Till next week, see you Sunday. La 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 la.
Oh, that's gonna be a great blooper.
No, as you can see now,